You can actually do this while you're watching Netflix, okay? I love it. I think it makes me look fabulous. Amazing titas of Manila. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome to my channel. My name is Christel. To the newcomers, welcome. To the old-timers, welcome back. You can help me grow my channel by clicking the subscribe button and the notification bell. Hi guys, how have you been? I hope you're doing well. Today we're gonna be doing... What are we doing today? Today we're gonna be learning about Gua Sha. Okay? Have you heard about this thing, Gua Sha? Because I've been obsessed with this Gua Sha for a month now. So I've been doing the Gua Sha for a month. So I'm gonna teach you how to Gua Sha. So basically, Gua Sha is from the traditional Chinese medicine. Yeah, Gua Sha. Yeah. Okay, so Gua Sha is this one. So usually a Gua Sha is a stone made of jade or a rose quartz. But I think with jade is better. I have the rose quartz. But I only bought this from AliExpress, so it's very cheap. So basically this stone is a scraping tool. So in the traditional Chinese medicine, I remember I had a massage before. They used the Gua Sha. So they massage your back, your body with this. Yeah. But what we're gonna do today is we're gonna Gua Sha my face. Yep. So basically in Chinese, it's two words, Gua and Sha. Gua means stroke and Sha means rash or redness. Because once you stroke it, become red. So why am I Gua Shaing? Because I read about it and I've seen it everywhere. They're all over on TikTok also. It went viral about the Gua Sha because it really sculpts your face. That's why it's like a scraping tool. So I'm gonna teach you how to Gua Sha today. Yeah! You know, because I'm a tita sa Manila, I'm aging, we need to have a sculpted face so I will stay forever young. So, benefits of Gua Shaing. Not just sculpting your face, so it actually relaxes your muscles on your face. This one also gets the energy and blood moving. That's why when you stroke your Gua Sha onto your face, there's a redness and rush there because it's moving your blood. Another benefit of the Gua Sha is it's actually good for the puffiness of the face. Yeah, it takes out all the puffiness if you feel like you're a bit bloated in the face or something. So this is a great tool. So how do we use the Gua Sha? So we use this morning and nighttime. That's what I do. So I started 1 month something ago. So what I do is when I wake up, I wet my face with water. Yeah, you can actually use a serum, but for me, I'm more comfortable with water. So I wet my face and my neck with water, and then I also wet my Gua Sha with water, and then we're gonna stroke it. Okay, I have a diagram here, okay? So what I do is first, I do this side, okay? So I stroke it here with this side because there's different sides on the Gua Sha. There's the longer side, there's this other side, the smaller side, and you know, yeah. So you're just gonna stroke it here. It's a one-time movement, okay? So don't come back. So on the jaw, on this side, we do 3 strokes. What I do is, at first I did 3 to 5 strokes, and then now I'm actually doing 10. Yeah, you can actually do this while you're watching Netflix, okay? So you just do the side here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I did 10, I think. And then you do the other side of your jaw. Same. 3, 5. But I'm doing 10. Yeah. So after I do that jaw, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do my here. So I have a nice cheekbones. Yeah. For the cheekbones, you use on this side. Okay? The long one here. So that one, same stroke. 1 stroke, 2 stroke, 3 stroke, 4 stroke, 5 stroke. Okay? You're gonna see that there's gonna be redness on your skin. So after that side of the cheek, we go to the other cheekbone. So you have a very nice cheekbone. Look, I even think that my cheekbone is much more profound, you know? It's more contoured than 1 month ago. Yeah, because I really have like a round face and I really enjoy and I'm obsessing about this Gua Sha. So anyway, so we stroke on the left. Same, 3 to 5 times. If you want 10, then you do 10, okay? And I also do my eyes, under eye. Yeah, because I think I need to Gua Sha that. So same, 3 to 5 strokes, only 1 time. Okay, do not come back, okay? Because it's only 1 time movement like that. You know, you can use a serum or oil if you want, but I'm very comfortable with water. That's why I'm using water. So if you want to do your eyebrows, you can use this side. Yeah, so you also stroke it 3 to 5. And then for the forehead, we use this other side, the shorter side. And then we just stroke it up. 3 to 5, and I do 10. Yeah, I mean, they said 3 to 5 times, but I think I want to do it more, so I did 10. So last but not the least that I gua sha with my face is my neck, because we need to have a nice décolletage. So they advise for the neck, never put it upwards. So it's always downwards, so the water actually comes out, you know. So if you have a puffy face, it's good. You know, it's like a water retention you take out, so your face is much skinnier. So basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you know, I have like a double chin, but I think it's improving after one month something of gua sha. I'm happy with it. When you gua sha your skin, avoid the broken skin or any breakout. Do not gua sha that, okay? So after you gua sha, then you can start your day. But usually I do is after gua sha, of course I pat dry my face because it was wet. Then I'm gonna put a serum. It depends because you do it in the morning and night. Obviously at morning I don't put a lot of things. I just gua sha it and then I start my day. So gua sha is also good because it boosts the circulation, which is so good. Your face, look at that. My face is much more defined now than 1 month ago, I think. I mean, if you watch all my YouTube videos before, you can see my face is always like big, round face. That's my face. I have a chubby face, and I think that I'm obsessed with this because I feel like it's making my face look more, you know, matured. So gua sha is also good because it takes away toxins. It brings in oxygen and nutrients. That's good. When you gua sha like that, I think it's releasing something and you're getting in some oxygen. So basically, a gua sha is a good workout for your face and your muscles on your face. Who works out their faces anyway? You see? Now you have to work out your face. And it doesn't take long. It don't only take like 1 minute, even under a minute if you're fast. So when you notice, when you stroke the gua sha, even on my video you can see, it's red. You know why it's red? Because it's creating a trauma on the skin. That's why there's a redness. That's the sha, the rash. So the benefits of that being red is, it starts to repair the skin and it makes a collagen. New collagen, guys. How amazing is that with this small scraping tool? So I told you earlier, you can gua sha your body, your face, and your scalp. I mean, when I do my forehead anyway, I do a bit of the scalp, so that's good. So when you gua sha in the morning, you're treating the puffiness. And it's also good because it's a good energizing for the skin early in the morning. So when you gua sha at night, what you do is, you actually relax your muscles. You relax your muscles and you release tight connective tissue. So the benefit is amazing for morning and at night with this very tiny scraping tool. Yeah, so this gua sha, I've been obsessed for 1 month something now. I can see the difference with my skin. I don't know if you can see it, but I have a before after. I love it. I think it makes me look fabulous. Amazing titas of Manila. So many people are selling this anyways. You just need to find the right one. But I suggest you get a jade or a rose quartz. Don't get those plastic because that's not good. It has to be a stone. Okay, so happy gua shaing, guys. I hope you enjoyed this Gua Sha 101 video with me. Yeah, this is not a sponsored video, okay? It's just what I'm obsessed at right at the moment. That's why I'm sharing it with you guys because I think it's very beneficial, especially for titas of Manila. Aging, we need to have a contoured face without the surgery. Yeah, so we can do it with the Gua Sha. So this is it, Pansit. Stay safe and stay healthy. I'm your friendly Tita Zo Manila that lives in Singapore, saying ciao, arrivederci. See you again next week. Bye.